I'm going to try to attempt to answer a question that everyone asks. The question everyone asks is, why is your sander so stinking good? Well, I'm going to show you why it's so good. Hopefully I'm going to be able to show you why it's so good and why it's so different from any other sander on the market. This is a 30-inch Flatmaster drum sander right here. And on this side of the drum, I have very fine grit paper. On this side of the drum, I have really coarse. So the way the sander is set up, everyone knows this basically, but this drum is set up so basically the drum is below the table. When you turn the sander on, the paper is going to lift off the drum. Basically there's going to be an air cushion behind the paper, but the big deal is the cut will be registered off of the table, not by the pressure you apply. You can only hold pressure to the table, you cannot push any farther than that. So for things like this, a segmented ring, when you're gluing up segmented rings and they're not perfectly flat, like you can see this one here, it's not perfectly flat, okay? This is the perfect sander to make these two surfaces perfectly flat so they made up and so you won't see the glue line. I'm going to try to show that. I've got a magic marker here. I'll put some lines across here, like this, lines across here like this. And we might be able to show you the difference between fine and coarse grit with this too. So this is the fine grit. I think we've got about a 220 grit on here. And it's only a 1/2 horsepower motor. So I'm just going to feed this across. Now 220 grit's not going to take off very much material because it's very fine grit. But you should be able to see the high spots here. These are the high spots. Obviously there are the low spots. Okay, and I'm going to take a little heavier cut with the coarse grit. You can hear the difference there. A lot more material removal. You still see there's a low spot here. We want to make that nice and flat. Make one more pass here. This is going to be an 80 grit finish there, but that'll be alright for a glue up. Now the other surface, see the other surface right here, it'll be fairly flat, but we're going to keep sanding here a little bit. Again, I don't know if the camera will show it, but this has got a lot of glue right here. Because that paper lifts off the drum, this glue is not going to melt to the paper because we're not going to produce a lot of heat because there's air behind the paper. So we're going to do a few passes here.